Assalamu alaikum. So now I will be showing how to deploy the API using AWS Lambda functions and the API gateway. So first of all, let's open the Lambda console and create a new Lambda function. Okay, so creating a Lambda function. Okay, and now I have my own code, so I'll be authoring from scratch using an existing role. Create a new role from templates. My name is ng API. The template is okay, so ng API role, you can name it whatever you like. Okay, and now the policy template is a basic microservice. Okay, microservice. Since it is a microservice, the function is being created. Okay, so function is being created right now. Oh, so the function is ready now and uploading a zip file. Now I'll be uploading the zip file. Here the deployment package, as you can see, it looks like this, where the function lambda function.py and the lambda function.py has got a lambda handler function. So this zip file is going to be uploaded, and since it is Python 2.7 edit code inline no. Okay, so uploading the file and everything has been good. Okay, so the time should be increased to 30 seconds. Okay, and now roles have been assigned, everything is okay, and now I'll be clicking on save. Meanwhile, just let's do a test. Find a YouTube URL for a test case. Okay, so here is the URL. I've copied it for testing purposes. Now the API is being uploaded yet. Come on, it is okay, it's uploaded. So loading now, loading. Let's write some test case for this API, for this function now. Come on, be quick, yaar. Okay, so here we go. Now I'll be writing a test function where load. I don't know why this is so slow. Okay, so here I'll be so, and the ng API test create. I hope this test case works as well. Oh, now the function has been executed successfully and I am getting my results. So now let's deploy the API, create an API gateway. Okay, so here comes add a trigger. Okay, leave it API gateway. I think I should not be going over here. Let's do it directly from the API gateway console. Now creating a new API. Okay, so new API name ng downloader API edge optimized. Okay, fine, create API. So the API is ready. Now let's create a method. The method will be a get method. Okay, and we'll be linking it to the lambda function. The region of my lambda is since you US East 2, so I selected that. Now I'm linked it to that one. Now I have to accept the URL of that video as a query parameter. So I will be doing as q. I'll be accepting q over here as my parameter. Now I click yes. Okay, the parameter has been accepted. Now what comes next is I have to link this queue with the with my code, and for that I'll be going to integration request, where I'll be mapping the body with a function, the body of my function with the parameter q passed. Here I am doing application slash JSON since we are dealing in JSON. Okay, now let's secure the integration. Sure, why not? Okay, and now here I'll be passing the parameters. I have copied the integration code over here. Just copied the code and just pasted it over here. Now I'll be saving it. And one more thing to go. I have to allow. Now I have to deploy the API as a production. Okay, deploying. I hope this one works. Okay, so now I upload. Let's copy a YouTube URL and check if the API works. The URL has been copied. Now pass it as the argument plus question mark q is equal to this. Oh, that's nice. So the API is returning some response. Now let's allow permissions to the API. Let's go back to the ng downloader API and enable CORS so that JavaScript can access the API. And here I'll be doing the same thing again. And okay, so I have allowed the CORS. Now deploying the API, deploy as a production. So the API has been deployed. Now let's try it on the client. First of all, we'll edit the URL. Editing the URL with the recent deployment URL of our API. Okay, so here you can see we have been, this one is the URL of our API. Let's copy this and paste it over here. So this has been done. Now let's open this and copy a YouTube URL and see if this one works. Okay, so I've copied the URL and let's see if this works over here. Oh yes, now that's working. Oh great. Now so we have uploaded the API and as you can see I can download the video as well. The video has been started downloading. Since I don't need it, I'll be canceling it, and thank you very much.